ladder 17. And inside gas odor 1205 Surrey Court, Coachman's Manor Apartments, 1853. Station 18, engine ladder 28, engine 20, engine 22, rescue 23, ladder 17. And inside gas odor 1205 Surrey Court, Coachman's Manor.
With all kinds of fucking coochie dust on that motherfucker. That shit's been in there for fucking who knows how long.
10 years. B12 medic to respond. Charlie, sick person. Freedom Road, Flowers Dam Road, 1853.
Turning towards the officer side. Yep. Okay. Good. Coming out the closet.
Tap, tap.
Let me find my plug. There's my plug. Plug one. Ready when you are. How much better was that?
Fucking lot better.
Now do it with both of them for you. Yeah. Turn it towards the officer side.
Yep.
I'm going to put down on this because this should be good. I'm going to put down some torque on this. Let's see what it sounds like on the solo. Let's see what the officer side sounds like. Both together.
That bitch is loud now. Holy shit. I heard it from in there. I said, I gotta fuck with that. Yeah.
Word up. Word up.
Wizard.
No, because this is going to be safe use because there's no neck stanchion on these, and where they're mounted at the back inlet stanchion, it's on a slide, an adjustable slide.
Right.
But it's too fucking tight. I need all kinds of tools and time. We got it back where it needs to be, and tools and time would allow me to support this back so this way, you know, it'd be snug. But they good to go.
Yeah, as long as it makes noise, it's all matters.
Q,
and the horns.
in the hole. Oh. Word up, word up, word up. Word up. Now, when I was in this earlier, I turned off the headlights and the park lights, just because the battery was on. Oh yeah, we're good.
Yeah, it's all just out here. I mean, Adam's out on that call, so I don't know if he's coming back. One side's already here. Oh, is it? Yeah. No,